doggy. I blew it. Today we are going to be doing 7 experiments with dry ice. Make sure to conduct this experiment with an adult. Let's get started. Experiment number 1, we're going to make a dry ice boat. That's what it's called, dry ice boat. Ooh, look at the boat, Nina. Yeah, it's going in circles. And it's beating like a steamy wheel. Experiment number 1. Put it in some. Experiment number 2. Which is called with bubbles. For experiment number 2, we're doing the witch's cauldron blowing up. Food cauldron. And now we're gonna need some dry ice. Now we're gonna pour the dish soap inside. I'll just explode. And now we have to mix it. Mix it. Your dam's gonna explode. Ooh, this is Experiment number 3. First, we're gonna put some dry ice in. Don't make it splash. Just put it in. Okay. Put one more. So we're gonna put one more. Now we are going to get the soap. We're gonna put our cloth inside of it. And now run it across. Experiment 3 was kind of a failure, but that's what scientists make sometimes to make failures. And by the way, making mistakes is my favorite part because you learn from your mistakes. You get better from your mistakes. Experiment number 4 is geysers. Okay, let's start with putting dry ice inside. Ooh, what's it doing? Okay. It's a geyser! Stop it. I'm gonna try to make bubbles with the geyser, like I just did. Okay, let's do experiment number. Like this is number 4, right? I made a boo bubble. I did it. Dish soap, and then I put it on top of my cap, and then I just let the gas create my boo bubble. This was made by 2 genius scientists, us. Experiment number 6. Take it out. How do I take it out? How to make sure experiment go well? Okay. Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Let's do that again! Watch it inflate the balloon. And watch it go all over the room when you pop. I'm gonna be hot. That can be our balloon rocket launcher! Time for experiment number 7! Experiment number 7, we're making a rocket launcher, but it's different from the balloon. First thing we need is 2 syringes, one big, one small. First, we have to take the top off the syringe. Second, we're gonna put our small syringe in the water, fill it up all the way. Now you put your finger on the bottom and pour the water from the syringe inside. Okay, and then I...
1
Okay, run. Okay,
I'm gonna go for my food.
time for our final experiment. Snake skin. First, we're gonna take our water and fill up at 70.
In a beaker.
Next, we're gonna add lots of green food color. Lots.
Lots of food color and a green snake.
Next, we're gonna put some dry ice. I'm gonna put some pieces of dry ice.
Some pieces of it. But two.
No, one more. Hurry. And now, can you hand me the dish soap? Pour all of it in. How about I do some and you do some? You do some and I do some.
Other quick was explode.
The snake skin. Oh, I have the snake skin. The snake's coming out. Foamy snake.
It's cool.
Thank you for joining us for episode 10. We hope you enjoyed our videos.
Me too.
Make sure to click on the subscribe button and give our channel a thumbs up. Wow, this one's going on. Can I get?